You see this tongue, it can build and it can destroy, but it depends on how you use it. I welcome una my people. Na me be Onukube, the storyteller. Wetin my eyes see, my mouth go talk am. I dey bring na here una go dey hear ogbonge true life stories. This story is about two kinsmen, two umunna. So these two umunna, one of them come dey born boys, born girls, but I don't know, mysteriously the boys wey im born dey kpai. So e come remain the three girls. Wetin e wan make im do? Then the other one na boys im born, and the other one wey born those boys, e no dey allow the other one rest. Any small thing for meeting, na so im go remind am say, you think say you get children, say see o, if you kpai your ama don share now, nothing, you no get representative o. This one, that one, na so im go dey remind that one. Any little opportunity wey im get, na so im go tell that one say you no get children o, say female children na children. Can you imagine that? Such mentality, very very wrong mentality. Both male and female, they are all children. So na so this man dey do im fellow kinsman. Na so that man go dey cry, he go dey cry, he go dey cry, he go dey cry, he go dey cry. My people, one day like that, as he don dey talk as in a normal one dey talk, the man na so he dey talk, carry im matter dey talk everything, and the three daughters are doing well. No be say they are doing well, the other one too doing well. My dear, my people, na so that man sons mysteriously kpai. Yes, they kpai. As they kpai, na im the man come dey cry, dey shout say na the other person, out of envy and jealousy, say im don kpai im sons, say im no go gree. Go carry im matter go dey judge, for their kinsmen, umunna. They say okay, they go find out. As they go find out, na im dey come see say the other man hands dey clean. They say na that one na im mouth, so say im own ancestors come dey angry with am. Na im nature come teach am lesson, say the other one hands dey clean. So my people, na so that man, due to due to im mouth, im three sons kpai. Maybe some of you go think say na joke, omereme life. That's why when you see strange things happen to people, you don't know where it's coming from. So we have to be very careful the things that we say to people. Now this one, now wetin me, Onukube, wan talk. Question no dey for this one, but now us to mind the way we talk. We use our tongue to talk. Thank you.
You know, say truth they bitter sometimes, oh.